Matthew!
No, it's not what he looks like.
This is the 5th time I've caught you eating people. You need to stop this.
This is the last time, I promise.
We need to do something about this. I'm taking you to the vending machine.
No, man, I don't want to go to the vending machine. I hate normal food.
No, I'm putting my foot down. We're going to the vending machine.
No, please don't take me to the vending machine.
We're here. Wait, where'd he go? Hey, come back here. Another one? Where'd the other one go?
I finished.
You can't keep getting away with this. You're eating Cheetos now.
Make me. What are they doing over there?
Are they stupid?
Eat it. It's over, Matthew. I have the high ground.
You win.
Eat.
Hey, that's actually pretty good.
Yes, so you won't eat people anymore?
Never again.
Well, we don't need these anymore.